This is the Earth. This is where you live. And this is where you live in your community, the solar system. Here is how far away the Earth and the Moon are from each other. Doesn't look so far, does it? Think again. The Earth and the Moon are as far away as 252,088 miles, if you're talking at their farthest. Inside that distance, you could hold all of our solar system's planets inside it. But planets, the great red spot on Jupiter, which is roughly 2 times the size of Earth, and Saturn is roughly 9 times wider than Earth. Saturn's rings are so huge that some of the pieces inside them are as big as mountains, but that's nothing compared to our Sun. Just remember, this is the Earth, and this is the Earth from the Moon. This is the Earth from Mars. Here's the Earth from just behind Saturn's rings, and here's the Earth from just beyond Neptune, 4 billion miles away. But a billion's a big number, so let's get some perspective. 1 million seconds is roughly 11.5 days, while 1 billion seconds equals over 31 years. Take a step back. Here's how large Earth is compared to how large our Sun is. Spooky, right? And here's that same Sun from the surface of Mars. As Carl Sagan once wondered, the universe contains more stars than there are grains of sand on all the world's beaches. And there are a few of the stars out there that are a lot bigger than our small, puny Sun. The biggest star that we know of, VY Canis Majoris, is about 2,000 times bigger than our Sun. But none of those is close to a galaxy in size. Actually, if you shrink our solar system down to be small enough to fit inside the size of a quarter and shrink the Milky Way galaxy down the same scale, the diameter of the Milky Way would be roughly the size of the United States. That's because the Milky Way galaxy is huge. Its diameter's roughly 100,000 light-years across, which, when calculated in miles, is roughly 621,371,192,237,338,990 miles. Throughout all of that is you. You're just existing inside this little small piece of the Milky Way. But even so, our galaxy is a small runt when compared with others. NGC 6744, a spiral galaxy much like our own, is twice the width of the Milky Way, measuring more than 200,000 light-years across. It is huge, but let's go larger. In this photo alone, captured by the Hubble telescope, there are thousands and thousands of galaxies, each holding millions or billions of stars with their own planets. Some of the objects visible here would have formed as much as 11 billion years ago, a mere 3 billion years following the Big Bang. This is one of the most prolific star-forming times. And just keep this in mind, that's a picture of a really small part of the universe. So if you ever get angry about your favorite show being canceled, or the fact that they play Christmas songs too early, just remember, this is home. Earth.